Netflix allows you to add extra members to your account, but this feature is mainly tied to the standard and premium subscription plan. Netflix has introduced a way to share accounts with people outside your household, typically by adding an extra member to your plan. All you have to do is open the Netflix website or open the Netflix app on your phone or TV and enter your credentials to log into your account. If you are on a standard or premium plan, look for the add extra member options in the account settings, or you can simply give your account details to your any person or any individual, and they can log in using your email address and password, and the Netflix will be available on their devices as well. That is how easy it is. By following this step, you can add extra member to your Netflix account and share the content. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.